Now let us start the next one. The previous sum, I told some of the information about that, how we have to find out the quadrilateral of a triangle. Now point A, B and C is given. A, B and C is given or collinear, and if A plus B equal to 1, find the value of A and B. Find the value of A and B. So if you take the three terms, as usual in collinear, it will be a 0. Now take out this as one of the equation. What is that? A plus B equal to 1. A plus B equal to 1. Take this as equation 1. Take this as equation 1. So after taking this, now one more equation you have to form based on this. Based on this, how we have to form? Since it is collinear, you know that area of triangle formula. Area of a triangle is equal to 0. Why? Because it is a collinear. Since it is collinear. Since it is collinear. It's clear? Since it is collinear, area of a triangle is equal to 0. After that, you have to follow this. Now, you know the formula for area of triangle. What is that? Of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, again x1, y1. This is the formula for what? Area of a triangle. Already we done in so many sums. Since it is collinear, you have to take it as a 0. You have to take it as a 0. So after that, as usual, you substitute the value 1 by 2. What is x1? Minus 3. What is y1? 9. What is x2? x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So x2 is what? A. y2 is what? B. x3 is what? 4. y3 is what? Minus 5. Again you have to write minus 3 and 9. It's clear? After that, you proceed as usual. 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. Since it is minus 18. A into 5 minus 5a. Minus 5a. 4 into 9 36. Both are plus. It's clear? 3 into 6. 3. Wait. A, this one is B, not 6, okay. Then it will be changed. 3 into B minus 3B, not 6, that is 3B. Okay, minus 3B. Minus into, this is not a 6, okay. So be careful in that, B. So 3 into B, 3B minus 3B, A into 5 minus 5A, 4 into 9, 36, minus, again 9 into A, 9A, B into 4, 4B, plus 4B, 5 3s are 15, minus into minus, plus 15, equal to 0. Now you reduce this. What is that? 1 by 2 minus 3b minus 5a plus 36. This will be changed. Minus 9a minus 4b minus 15 equal to 0. Now 1 by 2 is clear? 1 by 2. So what is the answer? 5a is there. 9a, 5a, both are minus 14a. Here there is minus 4b minus 7b, minus 7b. Number 36 minus 36 plus 36 minus 15. When you subtract that, what will be get? 1, that is 21. What is that? 21. Shall I 36 la 15 pochina 1 2 21. What 21 plus 21 equal to 0. Now this half is going here. In previous class itself I told this will go and multiply with 0. Here also we can possibly do this. இங்கெல்லாம் போடவே தேவையில்லை. இந்த half வந்து இங்கே கொண்டுட்டு போனால் அது என்ன ஆகிடும்? 0 ஆகிடும். Okay. So even though I return means no problem. So half, this will go to the opposite side. 0 into half will be 0. Now what are the things is balance here? Minus 14 a minus 7b plus 21 is equal to 0. Now since all go in 7 table, all go in 7 table. So what do you have to find out? Minus 2a minus b plus 3 equal to 0. It's clear? Okay. It will go in 7 table. 7 table divide panina. Divide by 7 table. Divide by 7 table. So divide by 7 table means 7 table 2 times, 7 table 1 times, 7 table 3 times. Now take this as equation 2. Equation 2. Already 1 is there. Already 1 is there. Now solve the equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. What is equation 1? A plus b equal to 1. What is the second equation? Minus 2a minus b. Suppose I am taking this plus 3 to the opposite side, it will become minus 3. Okay. So 3 will go to the opposite side, it will become minus 3. Now this both will cancel. This both will cancel. Minus 2a plus a. Minus 2a la 1a pochina 1a. That is 1a. Minus is greatest, therefore minus. It's clear? Then minus 3 la 1 pochina minus 2. What is that? Minus 2. Since both are minus, cancel. Therefore a equal to 2. A equal to 2. It's clear? Then you have to find out b. Substitute in 1. Okay. So substitute a equal to 2 in equation 1. In equation 1. Substitute a equal to 2 in equation 1. So if you substitute that, what will be get in equation 1? A plus b equal to 1. Okay, isn't it? Now what is the a? A will be 2 plus b equal to 1. A would value வந்து 2 இல்லையா? So a would value 2. Now b equal to 1 minus 2. 2 will go is opposite. So therefore b equal to minus 1. So this is the answer for the given question. It's clear? So this is the answer for the given question. A and b. A value will be 2. B value will be minus 1. B value will be minus 1. Shall I repeat? Say. A, B and C is given are collinear, and if A plus 1, A plus B equal to 1, find A and B. Find A and B. Equation 1, take it as equation 1. Since it is collinear, we know that area of a triangle equal to 0. So I return area of a triangle formula of, you know the formula in previous sum I told that this is the way you have to write it. x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, again x1 y1 equal to 0. of substitute all these three coordinates. Okay, first coordinate x1 y1, second coordinate ab, third coordinate 4 comma minus 5. Again you have to write the first coordinate equal to 0. Then half 3 into b. It's clear, 3 into b. This is not a 6, be careful in that. 3 into b, 3b. Since it is minus, minus 3b. 5 into a, minus 5a. 4 into 9, 36. Minus 9 into a. This is as usual what we are doing. Here we have to put minus for upward set. அதாவது இங்கே இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணணும், ஃபஸ்ட்டு இதில் கொண்டாடணும். இதெல்லாம் ப்ரீவியஸ் சம்ஸ்லேயே சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கேன். ஸோ இதை வந்து செகண்ட் டேர்மில் கொண்டு வரணும். சரியா? ஸோ இங்கே மைனஸ் போட்டு 9 into a, b into 4, 5 into 3. Since both are minus, plus. Then minus 3. You change all the sign here because outside is minus. Change all the sign. This will become minus, this will become minus, this will become minus. After that same terms எதெல்லாம் இருக்கோ அதை reduce பண்ணு. சரியா? minus 5a minus 9a சேர்த்தா minus 14a, minus 3b minus 4b சேர்த்தா minus 7a, then plus 36 ல 15 போச்சுனா 21, isn't it? So equal to 0. Now I have written half எங்க போச்சு, half வந்து oppositeல போச்சுனா 0 into 2 will be 0. 0th any number will be 0. So balance term equal to 0. Now I am, since this all go in 7 table, 14, 7, 21 எல்லாமே எதில் இருக்கும், 7 டேபிளில் போகும். அதனால் போட்டிருக்கோம் பாரு, divided by 7. 7 டேபிளில் பண்ணால் 2 times, இது 1 times, இது 3 times. So this is the equation I return. So take this as second equation. Now equation, இது வந்து equation 1, இது வந்து equation 2. Okay, so equation 1 as it is, equation 2 as it is. அதாவது இந்த plus 3 வந்து ஆப்போசிட்டில் கொண்டு போயிருக்க minus 3. So plus b minus b cancel. 2aல ஒரு a போச்சுன்னா ஒரு a இருந்தாலும் நெகட்டிவ் ஜாஸ்தியாக இருக்கிறதுனால நெகட்டிவ். அதே மாதிரி தான் minus 3ல 1 போச்சுன்னா என்னது 2, minus 3ல 1 போச்சுன்னா என்னது 2. Since it is greater, minus 2. ரெண்டுமே மைனஸ் இருக்கிறதுனால மைனஸ் கேன்சல், a equal to 2. Now substitute this in equation 1. In equation 1 we can also write here, in equation 1. So a plus b equal to 1. In place of a I am substituting 2. So 2 plus b equal to 1. 2 will go to the opposite, minus 2. So b equal to minus 1. It's clear? Any doubt in this? So very important question. Easy to answer. Either they ask in 5 mark also, it will be very very easy. Note it on that. So whatever the rough work you have there, do it on separate. Sums don't like in left hand. I have space, that's why I have written here. Okay, so if you are making any subtraction, so you do in your right hand side on whichever the space will be provided for you. Okay, where the space will be provided for you, you take out that rough work on that. And so don't merge the classwork, notes and rough work combination. Okay, so if you separate that easily, you can identify which one is rough work when you are doing certain sum in future. Further பார்க்கும்போது அப்புறம் ரஃப் ஒர்க் பண்ணாதான் வந்து நம்ம எப்படி வந்து சில ஆன்சர்ஸ் வந்து கிடச்சிருக்கோம் அப்படின்னு தெரியும். ஸோ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஹியர் 36ல் 15 நம்ம போட்டிருக்கோம். 36ல் 15 போச்சுன்னா மேனுவலாக நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், போட முடியாது. அதனால் சைடில் 36 15 போட்டு சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணு. லைக்வைஸ் இதெல்லாம் -5a, சில பேருக்கு வந்து டேரெக்டாக ஆட் பண்ண தெரியும். minus 9. This is what? Minus 9. Minus 9. Minus 9a minus 5a ரெண்டுத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணோம். Because both are minus. சில பேர் minus into minus plus ன்னு போடுவேன். Multiplication தான் plus. So we are joining them. Okay, grouping them. So that's way minus will be minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 னா எல்லாத்தையும் சேர்த்து minus தான் சொல்லணும். Okay, like that alternative sign இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் as usual plus or minus. We have to follow this.